Yo, what's up, yo? Good morning. Peace to the kings and to the queens. Give all praise to God. Hey, look. So today we got, a patio cleaning and a driveway cleaning. About to get to it right now. It's a house right here behind me. It's cold outside, but it's sunny, so I'm not tripping. I'm finna go ahead and set up my time lapse. Finna get through this. I'm finna lay down. Already laid my water down. It's not that bad of a driveway, so already got my mix in there, a little bit of bleach, pool cleaner, some soap. Finna throw some water on top of that, and then I'm finna go ahead and hook up my surface cleaner and get to it. So I'm finna go ahead and set my phone up so y'all can enjoy the views. It's cold outside, so my runny nose is gonna leave some diamonds off the hairs. But all right, y'all, enjoy the video.